running. Now she's running. Send this girl down. Woo-hoo! She's windy out here. Welcome back. We are back in Lake of the Woods here in Ontario. We said screw it with the snowmobiles. The ice roads are absolutely money right now in Lake of the Woods. You can drive up to pretty much any spot you want. There's only a little bit of snow on the ice right now, so it makes it super accessible to drive anywhere you want. We're gonna try a new spot today. We have this little reef kind of right in the middle of the lake, not really near any mainland, and it's pretty steep drop off. It drops from like 40 to 60 within a couple of feet of each other, so hard drop off. Probably do what we usually do. We're gonna set some tip ups a little bit shallower, probably a little bit higher up on the shelf, around 30 to 40 feet. We're gonna jig for some trout right around 60 feet. We're gonna camp for the night, I believe. We brought the cots. I think we got everything we need. So it's supposed to go down to minus 27, I think, with the wind chill tonight. So might be a little bit nippy, but I think we'll survive. So we're gonna start punching some holes, find the right depth, and meet you inside. I like this spot. There's literally about 6 feet difference, and it goes from 60 feet to 30 feet. That's insane. Tight squeeze. Oh, that's pretty easy actually. Super easy. Through there.
You gotta go through there.
So much nicer having the truck though, like right here. LED lights. They go wrong. Trout's favorite appetizer, Campbell's Catch. I think these ones are a little bit bigger than we usually use, but
well, that's good.
Good to go. Whew. Welcome to the Taj Mahal. Oh, that's what I need. Well, we're all set up in a windstorm in the middle of the lake, covered by no trees, no mainland. 2 cots set up, flasher in the middle, try and catch some lake trout. Set up the 2 tip ups in about 35 feet and 42 feet, closer to the reef that we're on in the middle of the lake. Couple Cisco's. Oh, she is breezy out. Absolute blizzard. Hopefully we don't fly away tonight.
Literally a full whiteout.
Yeah, we're, I think I showed her right off that reef. We're fishing about 62 feet, both using tube jigs. On here, Lake of the Woods, got the truck out, which is nice because it is, I think it's probably about 45 to 50k gusting winds right now. Snow is just blowing like crazy, so can barely see our flags that are out there about 40 yards away from us, 50 yards away from us. Should be an interesting night.
No flags.
No? Can you see them? Barely. Actually perfect temperature in here right now.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh no. Flag already? No way. Just wait.
Oh yeah.
You feeling anything?
Looks like it's taking some line, yeah. Not taking much line though. I think it's a false.
Yeah?
Maybe it was the wind? Feels like it, yeah.
A few minutes later.
Got it.
I did.
What the heck?
Stuck in the ice good again.
As if that happened.
It's stuck in the ice again.
Oh yeah. Just need to drag a bit. That was so weird. So we didn't think we had anything on, so I shut the camera off quick and then ended up feeling a couple little head shakes. Oh yeah. You must have been, man, I bet you swimming up the whole time.
Yeah.
Out here in the storm. Did you bring your board or no? No. Should I go grab your scoop instead? Oh, your scoop, does it have markers on it? Oh yeah, there's two running. No! Oh. Lake here. Oh yeah, nice one. First one of the day, first hour too.
Not a big burp.
Oh, nice. Probably
30s,
probably about 30 inches. Not a bad one, that's for sure.
Nice healthy fish though. Get it right back. It's pretty windy. Oh, lots of energy.
She goes. Attaboy. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's why you always set tip ups up, no matter what. It's always seemed to catch them on. So she's windy out here.
There's like water inside there.
It's blizzard outside. Time update, 6:40. Lost one on the tip up. Well, wasn't really a lost one, it was false alarm. But I think we got a pretty good setup going. I'm gonna try to stream the hockey game here. Our screen is lighting up like a Christmas tree. I don't know what these marks are. But they don't seem to be trout. Still gotta eat supper, I'm starved. Update, 8 p.m. Not getting any nicer out, I can tell you that. Woo! She's windy. She is windy, she's blizzardy, she's cold. This fresh goose, deer, pork, and beef all mixed together. Make some homemade sausages. Ooh, those smell good. Homemade sausage. Homemade sausage and Hockey Night in Canada. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Who says winter camping in a blizzard ain't fun? Just about time for bed. Early morning. Awaits. Hopefully our flag goes off in the middle of the night with a 40-inch trout. If not, a couple big ones coming tomorrow. How was your sleep in -32?
It was fine. It's actually okay. It only got cold early in the morning, like at 6.
Well, I think we're gonna rearrange a few things. Get a cot out. Make this place a bit more roomy. Got the coffee all brewed up.
Yeah, we'll take this one out because it'll be at the door then. We can have the cooker right outside
Yeah.
the door.
Set up one tip up early this morning. It's -32 out, so I think it's probably frozen. Gotta go deal with that. But could have been colder last night for -32. The wind was, I thought we were gonna take off at one point. It was so windy. Slept longer than I thought I would, but she is frosty in here. Get some eggs and bacon going. Wish we would have had a fan. We bought a fan for the roof to shoot the air down, the warm air. Forgot that. That would have been huge. And then yeah, we got our carbon monoxide detector that didn't go off. Surprisingly, that's hence why we're still alive. doesn't get better than this. Got the cots out. Back to our original setup. Bacon and eggs for breakfast. Got some toast toasting up. A little overcooked. Slow morning so far. It's what, 10:30? Only had, we've had a few chasers. Nothing's hit it so far. It's a battle with the iFish Pros because it's so cold out. As you can see from the tent, that's what we were sleeping in last night. She got pretty frosty. Hopefully catch one or two more today. I think we're gonna head home probably pretty early, maybe around after lunch, 1, 2. All in all, it's cold. Actually, it wasn't that cold to sleep. It was pretty good. Probably picked the coldest day of the year so far, and we survived. So I think we do it any nicer day, it'll be pretty simple.
Grab this, grab this. Oh, still there. Think we got trout moving through. On. That might have been the same trout. Oh, I think that was the same trout that was following me up and down. I just saw a little mark right under mine. I don't think it's a big one. It was already up here. Similar to one yesterday, probably around 30 inches. That was my swivel that I caught. Oh, that's scary. What's that?
That's why we come out here, folks. I don't think it's a massive one, eh? Probably similar to the ones we caught yesterday.
Yeah.
It's like around 30, but nice fish. As I was going to fix the tip ups, shaking. So cool seeing him down there like that. Had that one follow me up, didn't hit me, left it, just kind of let it sit there for probably a minute later, and then he hit me. Probably the same one, to be honest.
Cool.
And he's getting tired out.
Yeah, lift straight up. Just lift.
Not a huge one, but probably another 30, low 30s, right around 30 inches, 32, 33. He's charged up. Woohoo! How cold?
It's cold.
Well, I think that's gonna do it. It's only about 2 o'clock, but we're gonna go home, watch some football, have a shower. It's fun. It's a good weekend. Didn't catch as many trout as we hoped, but can't complain. We survived the night. I think we're definitely gonna do it again. It's just minus 32 last night, blizzard. I think we had about 40 to 50 kilometer winds, so yeah, I think probably next time we're gonna wait till it's a bit nicer and probably try a different lake. Although it is, you know, with the ice roads out right now, it's pretty nice. Drive right to the spot, have that comfort of your truck right there. So definitely some of the key things were those cots, the mats, obviously a heater, and just a carbon monoxide detector, and you're pretty much good to go. So first try doing the winter camping thing, and like I said, definitely do it again. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace.